awuzaqela hulume zaqela hulume awususe lonata awususe lonata thina singamazulu wena ngazulu Dennis awususe lonata thina singamazulu kwela kwaZulu weshilungisizwe awusiyacela hulume awususe lonatali awuthina singamazulu kwela kwaZulu weshilungisizwe awususe lonatali thina singamazulu vela kaZulu hushi awungithi sacela hulume sacela awungithi sacela hulume thina singamazulu ambalele lapho balele lapho khona awungithi sacela hulume awususe lonatali awuthina singamazulu ngempela abantwana eMaritzburg siyacela angasavula lo kumele avula umuntu waZulu udlula umuzi uvule kanjani umama intombazane ingane umbani uyadlula la umuzi uvule kanjani umntwana uzavale ngoba la isekhaya ngeke sizomabona umuntu ulawulakasha Nomtetamba, nomude funa mangalawo, aboko, obologeza, ngezenzo zakho, emhlabani. Ulamla kanjani, ulamla kanjani, nomtefuna, nomude funa mangalawo, aboko, obologeza, ngezenzo zakho, emhlabani. Ulamla kanjani, Ulamba kanjani umefuna nomutefuna mangalawo abuko ubulungiswa ngezenzo zakho emhlabani ulamba kanjani umefuna nomutefuna mangalawo abuko ubulungiswa ngezenzo zakho emhlabani Ulamla kanjani nomefuna nomutefuna mangalawo ubulungiswa ngezenzo zakho ulamla kanjani nomefuna nomutefuna mangalawo aboko ubulungiswa Sako enqabani ulamba kanjani undifuna nomunye ufuna aboko obulungiswa ngezenzo zakho enqabani ulamba kanjani undifuna nomunye ufuna mangalawo Besa, ngezenzo zakho emhlabani ulamba kanjani nomunye ufuna mangalawo aboko ubulungiswa ngezenzo zakho emhlabani ulamba kanjani nomunye
How long have you been here in this country? Yeah. 15 years. Are you legally you got documents? Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's what we wanted to find out. Yes. If someone had to come here and ask for those documents, would you be able to produce those documents?
Those don't even they come here before. They ask me, I give them a document, they give me what they do. Okay. That's what they do.
A quick one. Do you understand why are they here and what is their frustration?
But now how gonna make it they come and steal the shop? What is that?
You don't understand?
Yes. Why
Okay.
is someone steal the shop?
Okay.
That's why
You
I asked
you said they've been here before, right?
Yes.
What did they say when they were here?
They said even where's the paper to write what?
Beside papers, they did mention that if you are in South Africa, you must meet certain requirements to operate or run a business, right? And do you meet that?
No.
You don't.
No.
That is the reason why they are saying you must close, because the business that you are conducting or running can be taken over by South African, because you don't have that 5 million rand which can be invested here. For you, let me finish so that next time when they come here, you would understand that they are not fighting you because you are a foreigner, but they are fighting you because you are not abiding with the law, you are not complying with what South African citizens are crying for, which is you running a business here, not meeting the requirements. You can stay in South Africa, you can visit South Africa, but you cannot run a business. That is why they are here. Next time they come back, they will be asking you the very same question. That is why I said, do you understand their frustration? And do you understand the requirements that you, as a foreign national, must meet in order to operate or run a business? Understand? So next time they are here, they will be asking you the very same question. Having your passport or your visa does not mean you can run a business. Understand?
Maybe Naragos, that's one question. Were you aware of those requirements before you opened the shop? Because you are finding yourself in this situation right now. Were you aware of those requirements?
Yes, guys, welcome to Mzansi Daily Affairs. As you can see, people are making these guys actually close the shops, but the following day they're still going to be operating. The best way to deal with this thing is put the community on guard, give word out put out the word and give an instruction to the entire South Africa that each and every province, each and every city, put the community on guard. Tell the community, don't make sure no one is buying. Certain people must be at the shops. Tell them not to buy. If there's no operation, if there's no money in, and if there is no trade, eventually if there's not gonna be any money and there's not gonna be anything that's gonna sustain them, that's the only way to chase these people away successfully. Should that happen, because I'm not gonna put everyone, all of them, in under one umbrella. I cannot say all of them, they are not pure people. They are not I don't know more, but I know and I've seen on the news that some of them are just feeding us as South Africans things that are actually dirty, and they have the capability to actually manufacture their own goods. We have seen that they can manufacture, even I've seen them manufacture Coca-Cola and the taste and all that stuff. So that's not good, Buffett. That's not good. It makes us angry as South Africans because of the way they are trading, and it's making us angry. So, but then nonetheless, Buffett, I just want to say, leave us your thoughts in the comment section. What do you really think about this? And if you're not subscribed to Mzansi Daily Affairs, just consider subscribing to Mzansi Daily Affairs.